Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup tutorial was inspired by Pantone Color of the Year, which is the Ultraviolet, a dramatically provocative and thoughtful purple shade. So without further ado, let's get started. Here, I am going to use my Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This can help smooth and visibly blurs pores. This will also leave your skin with a natural and dewy glow. And for my eyeshadow, I will be using my Carroty Smoky palette using my MAC Cosmetics 224 brush. And I will be taking this light shade called Natural for my eyeshadow base. Then I'm going to take this nude tone brown shade called Proof using my Sigma Beauty E25 blending brush and apply it on my crease for my transition color. I'd usually start on the outer corner and start building up the color. Next, I'm going to take this gorgeous bright purple shade called PDA using my Sigma Beauty E45 brush and apply it on top of the nude brown eyeshadow, but make sure you're not fully covering the entire crease. The key here is to create a gradient eyeshadow look. And then I will be taking this blue shade eyeshadow called Karma using MAC Cosmetics 242 small shader brush and apply it on the ball of my eyelids. Then I'm going to take my Sigma Beauty E25 brush without applying any product and slowly blend the eyeshadow. Then I'm going back to this light shade eyeshadow called Natural and apply it on my brow bone to give the smoky eye a subtle look or to balance out the color. And I'll be using my favorite and less expensive foundation that delivers what it says. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Desert Beige using a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in medium shade using the clean side of the beauty blender, and I'm going to dot a tiny bit of amount under the eyes. And I'll be setting my foundation and concealer using Ben Nye Banana Luxury Powder using my Sigma Beauty F20 large powder brush. I would normally focus on my T-zone area since those are the areas that I tend to get oily. And for this step, I am basically going to copy the same colors I've used on my upper eyelids using my Carroty palette. And for my false eyelashes, I'll be using my favorite Lily Lashes in Miami. Then I will be using my Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes for my mascara. And for my blush, I'll be using my favorite MAC Cosmetics Blush in Harmony using my Sigma Beauty Small Contour Brush. And then I will be taking my favorite Kevyn Aucoin Neo Limelight Highlighter in Ibiza using Sigma Beauty F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter Brush and apply it on the high points of my cheekbones. And lastly, for my lips, I will be using Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Bare. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and feel free to like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already. Until my next video, have fun, bye!